Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can fix lag or the shuttering problems when you play the finals game. So I will show you guys best settings you need to apply to fix this problem and also increases your FPS in your game. First go to your Windows search, type the edit power plan and open it. And now go to the power options you are seeing on the top and click on the create a power plan. And now here click on the high performance if you have a PC, and if you have a laptop then you can select the balance, click on the next, click on the create. Now your high performance power plan is created. Click on the change plan settings, click on the change advanced settings. Now here you have to just look for the PCI Express. Now just double click on that, double click on the link state power management and make sure these two settings are off. And after that look for the process power management and just double tap on the minimum processor state, and you can set these settings the on battery 5% and plug into the 100%, and the system cooling policy is always active, and the maximum processor state is the 100%. And then you need to just click on apply and OK to save the changes. And the next setting you need to do is go to your Windows site, type the graphics settings, and now you can open it. So once your graphic settings was open, here click on the browse option, and now here you have to just select the finals game, and let's say this is the finals game. I can just select it and click on the add. So after you add it, just click on the finals game, click on the options, and now here make sure it is selected to the high performance so it can use all of your graphic card settings, all of your graphic card. Click on the save, and now you can go to Windows search again and type the game mode. And now you can just open your game mode settings on your Windows and make sure this option is on in your PC if you are a gamer and if you gaming in your PC. After that, now you can go to your Windows search again and type the task manager, and now you can open it. So once you open your task manager, here you will see all the background application that are running, and if there is any task that you are not using, then you can right click and click on the end task, because this application will take a lot of bandwidth in your background and will take a lot of your RAM, and this cause your FPS lag or the lag problems in your game. So guys, this is the best settings to optimize your gaming. So if this video is helpful for you, so please like it and also do subscribe to our channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.